everybody. It's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.
Hi, welcome to the Crafty Corner, y'all. I'm just coming to you with the Walmart haul that I did this little short on. That I didn't go through everything, but I did show y'all that we did get a haul from Walmart. So I'm going to go through those items now, just to show you the little haul I got from Walmart, okay? All right, so first off, I found the pillows. All right, these are the mom pillows. All right, and I have it in purple and in pink. And I didn't find a whole bunch of them, but I did find some. So I got those. All right, we also had this little dinosaur that says Dynamite Mama. All right, and as you can see, he is Mother's Day. So I picked him up because we can take this off. And he can go in a Christmas basket, a birthday basket. There's a lot of things he can go in. All right, and then Walmart had one Mother's Day mug left. And it is a Hello Kitty. Alright, and the inside it says Happy Mother's Day. That's why this is Mother's Day. But this is a Hello Kitty mug. Alright, very cute. It says Hello Kitty on it. So we picked that up. Alright. Walmart had these picture frames that say Bonus Mom. Alright, and if you're crafty like me, you can take those off. I have paint to match this. We can take those off. If we need to sand and paint, we can do that. Or we can use it for a bonus mom. Alright, but I picked up 7 of these. That was all that they had. Alright, and these are very cute little picture frames. Have a little tie stand on the back. So it stands up and you just take that off. Stick your picture in. And if you need to remove bonus mom, you just remove it. Alright. So got 7 of them. There's 3 there, and then the other 4 are up here in another box. Alright, they also had, and I saw KOK with these, and I just so happened to stumble across 2 of them. So I got 2 of these kangaroos, and I did a KOK on that, y'all. I went through the whole store looking for these, and I only found these 2. So I did get 2 of the kangaroo Mother's Day plushies. One. There's the other. Alright, so I will put those up for Mother's Day. Now, Walmart also had some things that I also found at Dollar General, which were these, okay? However, these say love you mom, and they actually come with the paint. The Dollar General ones do not come with the paint. And these were the same price as the Dollar General ones, sales price. So I did pick those up. Then the tumbler 3-piece accessory sets. Walmart had these. So I picked these up. They come with the necklace as well. Straw topper and the tumbler strap. They had 2 of those. So I picked up both of them. See, this casing is made like a tumbler. It's okay. I like it. Alright, and they had 2 of these. So I picked up both of those. Alright, and then they had the Nourishing Under Eye Mask. You get 2 pairs in each box at Walmart. These were also on clearance. they only had 3 of them left, so I did pick up all 3 of them. And it says it's 2 pairs. So let's see if it's really 2 pairs, y'all. Hang on, let me get my little X-Acto and or my scissors. Either one, it doesn't matter. So yeah, it's 2 pair. So you get 2 pair of these in each one, and you can use the whole box. As you can see, the packaging is really cute. So I will use these in some baskets. I'm not going to say Mother's Day next year, but I will use these in some baskets. I have 6 pairs of those. Alright, they also had the Nourishing Body Butters, and this is my Beauty Spot collection. Alright, and this is with argan oil and shea butter. Alright, and this has the English Rose scented, the Sweet Peony, and the Cotton scented. And that's what these look like. Very cute little gift sets. They had the Mom Juice. Alright, and Mom Juice, all these are, y'all, are a pair of crew socks in this bottle. Alright, and the bottle says Mom Juice, and this is a plastic bottle. Looks like it is taped shut, so I don't want to open it. But this little piece on the front here comes off. Alright, and it's just a little plastic bottle with a pair of crew socks in it. They had those. Alright, and then they had the Mother's Day LED disco ball. Alright, and it says, in my mom era. Alright, and it runs on batteries, so you have to put the batteries in. That's what it looks like. And it is Mother's Day. And then I went back to the clearance rack, and they had these outlet covers for 75 cents. So I picked up several of these. Alright, and that is my my Walmart haul, y'all. That is all I got. Well, one more thing. They had all these gigantic cards. So I picked all of them up that they had. There was only 5 of them. But these I will hold these for Mother's Day next year as well. I got that variety of it, and then this one. It says Super Cool Mom. Alright, so these are too big to show in the frame, y'all. They're so big. Yeah. 2 of those and 3 of the other. Alright, so that is it, y'all. That is my Walmart haul, and I just wanted to share that with y'all. So make sure you all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.